Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this absolutely fantastic 68 reg E220 AMG line. Now this is the CDI engine model and is absolutely awesome. It's a coupe version, this one has the night package. So a night package is obviously the larger wheels, they're 20 inch, it gets the black diamond turned effect. We're going to get the black detailing. So as I take you around the car, I'll point that out. Now the car's finished in Selenite grey metallic. Any grey car, if you watch our videos on our YouTube channel, you see that they sit really nice in every colour. Very easy to maintain, keep clean. Doesn't show many marks. Not like a black car, and doesn't show the dirt like a white car, but is a factory option of about £750 on an E-Class. Now the night package, as I say, is all the exterior black detail. So you get the 20-inch wheels. As you can see, those wheels on the inner spaces are all night black, and then you get this lovely diamond turn. You then get the black Mercedes centre caps on those as well. All the exterior trim is in black, and then you get these lovely black mirror caps as well. Privacy glass on a night package car. Now coming round the front of the car, we get the headlamps. They are like a darker black in there. You get the twin blade LED high performance with this vehicle. Front and rear park assistance. The centre spoiler, rather than being chrome there, is again in black. Listen to the engine there. It's a lovely silky smooth quiet engine. The paintwork is in super condition throughout on this car. We sold this car about 8 or 9 months ago to the last owner. At that point it was a one owner, now it's two. The vehicle's just been serviced at the Mercedes-Benz showroom less than probably 4 or 5 weeks ago, and that was Mercedes-Benz main dealership. As I say, the paintwork down the side of the car is in superb condition. Do like the E-Class coupe, this little window. It's still a pillarless coupe, so when you do open the door you can have that as a wide open section, which I'll show you when we get inside. The windows pop up to give you less wind noise and waterproof. But as you come around the back of the car there, the rear diffuser then is in the high gloss black finish also, which is really nice. You get the twin chrome tailpipes. E220 diesel, very nice size boot. Put your golf clubs in. Seats do drop down as well, so the 60/40, and this one still has the nice little trolley there, or storage for water bottles. But from every angle, an E-Class is a lovely car. Very little angles on these now, so as you can see there, the lines down it are really smooth. All the wheels are in superb condition on this car. When it goes into detailing and pre-delivery inspection, our technicians remove the wheels, they'll wash them inside out, they'll detail the discs and the calipers. Any little marks will be improved. We have the equipment to do that, so that the car looks absolutely beautiful when you come and collect it from our showroom here in Wigan. Looking inside the car now, you get this lovely black leather and suede interior. Great stereo system. Have a quick look in there. What a beautiful car. I'll just turn that stereo down. But you get the larger screen on a coupe. Everything's touchscreen as well through the centre iDrive down here. Various modes. You can have the pad there, or you can have the wheel. We've got the dynamic drive also, as you can see, so everything, we can set the car up to drive in comfort, economy mode. Very nice. Parking sensors front and rear, reversing camera. But coming down to the centre console, that's all digital, so dual zone climate, so the passenger can have a different temperature than the driver. We've got satellite navigation, we've got DAB radio, we've got the media player, so that's Bluetooth streaming, USB, and obviously we've got Bluetooth for your telephone. Now this particular model, being the later E-Class, we then get the multifunction leather steering wheel, which feels lovely in the hand. these are like little scroll pads then, and you can see there now as I scroll through. And then on the on the driver's side there, that's for the head up there as well. So I'll just turn that. You can have your nav on there. You can have everything as you go down there, as you can see. But speed limiter, cruise control, ideal for on the motorway now in these times where we're trying to get done for driving too fast. Speed motorways, paddle shift, gorgeous. You've got the lovely lighting, as you can see there, through the vents, blue. Nice large storage facility in the back, in there, with obviously a 12-volt charging point. So the car itself, as we said, or as we see, he says, let's go back. So we've got 49,636 miles, which is nice low mileage, isn't it, for one of these. Looking in the back of the car, the seats are in superb condition as well. I don't smoke. I can tell that the last keeper in this car wasn't a smoker either, so that's always good to know. But I must admit, having drove these cars and used them myself, they are arguably one of the best driving cars on the road. Must have the most silkiest, smoothest suspension on any vehicle. It makes you want to carry on driving. You go on the drive, but just look at that dashboard. The cockpit on these is exceptional. Mercedes have really, really done a number on its competitors with this car. So, if you'd like any more information on the vehicle, have a look at our website. We've got multiple images of it. Our finance calculator is underneath there, so you can have a see what it would cost if you want a PCP or a hire purchase agreement. Part exchange, just give us a call. We'll give you a price over the phone on your car. If you'd like to reserve this, we do the click and collect method, so just give us a call. We'll take a $250 fully refundable deposit on it. If you're not happy when you arrive in Wigan, we'll refund that deposit back to you. But what an exceptional car. So 2 keys with it, full book pack, recently serviced at the Mercedes-Benz dealership, serviced 2 times before that, so it's been serviced by Mercedes for 49,000 miles 3 times, on great tyres, on great wheels, 20-inch. What a great looking car. Private reg, you could have bought yourself a brand new Mercedes there. Absolutely drop dead gorgeous. So have a look on our Facebook page. You'll see lots of customers from all over the country doing exactly what you're going to do. Look at our cars and then come and collect them once. Have a look at our reviews on Auto Trader, on Google and on Facebook. You'll see we're a family business, owned 40 years. We have one of the most prestigious used car showrooms in the country. We have over 100 quality used high specification cars on stock. We have an enviable reputation of offering some of only the finest cars on Auto Trader today. So, if you'd like any more info, give us a call here in Wigan. I'm Graham, there's Lee and there's Dom on sales, and we'll be happy to help in any way. But thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.